At huwag maglalagay ng second floor o 13 hagdan kung wala kayong second floor. Tama?
Ayun.
Oo, mahulog.
Mukha kayong
Hindi,
tama.
ang pinakamaganda talagang advice ngayong New Year, huwag niyong i-rearrange ang sala set kung hindi niyo ito bahay.
Yun, tama.
Oo, huwag kang pakialamero, gano'n.
Correct.
Kapag galing ng may-ari, may bahay.
Yan ang mga tama dyan.
Kawain mo yan.
Habs ba?
Kay
Yan ang
Alan
mga
Padre.
pungsoy.
Alam mo, may future ka talaga sa comedian. O sino nang pantapat nila dyan kay Shaira?
At etong araw, ang pantapat kay Syra, hindi kailangan banggatin para hindi pumasok.
Ah, ano?
Ano?
Huwag natin banggitin para hindi pumasok.
Hindi, banggitin natin.
Pero pag
Suspense
binasa
na
nyo raw, darating siya.
Darating.
Sige, tawagin natin.
Si Francis
Patunayan.
Cedric Haneo.
Tama, darating siya.
PNB number 2.
Tingin nga.
Francis.
Pumasok.
Francis.
Ayun na pala.
Kanina pa pala siya nandyan.
Kamukha ko tong bata na to.
Ang cute ni Francis. Pareho kayong pilikmata, Jose.
Tingnan mo pati yung buhok niya. Ganyan-ganyan ako nung bata ko. Ano, gusto mo ba bang tumanda?
Ilan taon na si Francis?
Ilan taon ka na?
I'm 8 years old.
Boses matanda
Ang laki
din.
ng boses.
Watch up, Doc.
Brad, laki ng boses niya, Brad.
Kailan ka natutong kumanta?
5 years old. 5 years old.
May accent. May accent.
Tsaka pa
Parang may accent. Baka balik tayo.
Jose, may accent.
Are you speak English?
Not English. American English.
American English.
Ay, napakalaman si
My, oh
Jose
my.
niyan.
Meron pala yung
Come
American
on, Frankie.
English.
So
Meet Francis.
what's the difference about American English and English? What?
What do you want to
Apoy na,
say?
why?
What? American English is
Good.
good. You, usapin nyo nga kasi.
Iniiwasan ko nga eh.
Are you born here?
Nope.
Where you born?
Where are
There?
you born?
Little doctor's hospital.
Oh, not here nga.
Why you speak like that? Your father's a foreigner or your
Yeah.
mother's a foreigner? What?
You're from America?
Why you speak like that? Why you speak American English?
I just watch cartoons.
You watch cartoon.
Ayun na naman pala.
You watch Bugs Bunny.
What up, doc?
But Francis, you know Tagalog?
You speak
You
Tagalog.
speak Tagalog?
Not really.
No.
Really?
Not really.
Taray.
What the Tagalog word that you know?
Any Tagalog word?
Do you know Oppo?
Nothing.
Nothing. And
Pakantahin mo na nga. Pakantahin mo na nga, Jose.
You want to sing now?
Sandali lang kasi college ako eh.
Huwag mo taruan.
Bakit ba?
Kilala kita. Yung anak ko hanggang ngayon di pa nakakalimutan.
Ruby, I know what I'm doing.
Okay, sorry.
Jose, tanungin mo yung bata kung magaling talaga siya mag-English. What is a sentence?
What is a sentence?
You know what? The dog is under the tree.
Define sentence.
Define sentence.
It's 9 years
You know what
old.
I don't know. That's why asking you.
You know what? You're just
Okay.
You know what? You're just like a cool.
Maganda. Sabi lang.
Yan yung napapanood niya sa cartoons yan. Manood kasi
Hindi ko
tayo.
naintindihan pero ang sarap pakinggan eh.
Para kaboses na niya si Terry.
You know what? You know what? You know what? It's rabbit time.
It's cookie time,
cookie time.
Pakatay na yan, pakatay na
And,
yan.
and you know what? I get body, get added peanut. Ang pabay ko sa long man.
Anyway, Francis, what are you going to sing?
Okay, Francis, it's time for you to song number, okay?
Okay,
Are
what's
you
your
ready?
song?
What are
song
you singing?
sing song? What?
What are you going to sing?
Yesterday.
What?
Every day.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. How about today and
Yesterday.
tomorrow?
Okay.
Okay, you sang.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, Francis Cedric Haneo.
May step forward.
Yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday, Sunday. I'm not half the man I used
Going on 45.
I know, ang batang matanda.
Very well. Very well.
Alan Kay, ano masasabi mo dito kay Francis? Kakaibang bata ito.
Kakaiba siyang bata, parang ang bilis niya tumanda.
Pati
Kasi
yung
nga,
song
nag-i-English.
choice,
Parang
diba?
choice of songs, parang ang personalidad ng daddy niya ang nakikita mo sa bata eh. I'm sure daddy niya is a lover of Beatles songs. Yun ang
Tinuro.
yun yung tinuturo niya sa bata.
Your daddy love Beatles song?
Yep.
Yep.
Oh. Pati magsalita eh. Sabi mo sa bata, Francis, huwag kang tumanda kaagad. Minsan lang sa buhay ng isang tao na bata siya, i-enjoy mo yan.
Francis,
In
Alan,
English.
you know, Alan Kay,
Long time ago.
You talk, Alan.
You know, Francis, it only happens once in a lifetime in one person's
Last may
life
dugo ka
that
sa
you
ilong.
become a kid. So enjoy being a kid. Don't
check
grow
yung
up
BP.
so fast. Okay?
Galing.
You have a nice voice.
Nanonood ng cartoons to si Alan.
Abri-abri, that's all, folks.
What you say to man?
Thank you.
Tell him it's not man.
Do gay.
Ano daw?
Ruby, what do you have to say?
Same as the above.
Same as the above. What's your swipe?
Swipe! Let's go!
Nahirapan eh.
Okay, Francis, this is the points given to you. And now we'll see the total mo.
Dapat higher than 95 ang total ni Francis. Natapat kasi sa magaling si Shaira.
No, it's okay. Don't worry.
It's okay, Francis.
That's okay, but you're very, very good.
Yeah.
High five. Low five. Give me a sign. Yeah.
Congratulations. Ito, dahil Shaira, ikaw ang pambato ng inyong barangay, meron kang 15,000 pieces.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15.
para sa'yo. At meron ka naman, Francis, 2,000.
English first.
Ah, okay. You have also 2,000 pesos. Congratulations.
Thank you for the Ikulaga.
Yeah. Welcome.
And don't forget, this Friday I have a gift for you. It's my Christmas gift. And my Christmas gift para sa inyo lahat, I don't speak English. It's Chinese. Para sa iyo, sakit katawan, taxi, ginger, liniment. Gawa ito sa BJ Coconut Oil. Simula luya, mas pinabisa pa, tandaan ninyo, lahat na masakit katawan, kasukasuan, sinok, lahat, lagnat. At meron din kami dito, Taiji Electric Hot Water Bag. Ito galing para sa eye bag, ha?
Ibang galing pa sa ibag yan.
Bata pa ito, hindi ka makakaiba.
Kaya yung galing yan para yung mga muscle nyo, titigil muscle, iyo lagay yan, tapos init lang, saksak, 5 minutes, pwede na yan, pakulo ka yan, okay na yan. Taiji yan, ha? Sigurado lahat tayo kakanta ng
Watch out, da.
Mr. Taiji, meron pa, Mr. Taiji.
pwede naman kayo basa. Basa ulit. Meron 5,000 gift certificate mula mga inasal, Tapos meron pa 2,000 naman para dito, aking kaibigan. Pwede naman kayo basa.
Kaya punta na sa mga inasal at itry ang mga bagong minsanin mo na 400 batches na nationwide.
Panalo talaga kainan dyan dahil sa mga inasal. The more, the merrier!
Pinagtrabaho niyo talaga si Jose, ha?
Kasi lagay toka-toka pangalan,
Congratulations sa iyo, Shaira. Panalo ka sa kantahan sa inyong barangay. At maraming salamat sa atin sa mga Dabarkats at sa ating mga judges. Thank you very much.
Hatid po ito ng Taichi Ginger Plaster Robin Liniment at Mang Inasal.
Okay, susunod na mga Dabarkats sa studio naman ang hakot ng papremyo sa Hakot All You Can. The best hakotan to sa Bulaga!